This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams interested to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Muli po, tayo na sa isa naman ng laro para sa gabing ito. Ito ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Ito na. Good evening basketball fans. Welcome. Good evening basketball fans. This is your host RBG Vlog with you. And welcome again for another season for tonight's game for tonight in PSBQ Basketball League, featuring the following teams of, first of all, in Oryx team and Kabsat team in white and Oryx in purple. Okay. Good morning po mga kababayan. Good evening po mga kababayan. Dito pong yung host RBG Vlogs with you. And this is your, of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa the Pearling Season International in Doha, featuring the teams of Kabsat in white and in violet is Oryx team. And here are following sponsors. First of all, McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Janus Comitio, MC Cargo, Qatar Mrs. Sportswear by Z Ranyada, MC Kitchen, JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 John's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Aquaflas Qatar, Lombar, and Kapeng Braco by Lombar. Ito po tayo folks. Ito po ang yung, of course, meron pa pala HB Kicks, and of course, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Ito na po tayo mga kababayan. First game for tonight. Elimination po na po tayo for the Class D Intermediate Division ng ating liga. In white po is, of course, Kabsat, and in violet po is Oryx Basketball Team. Okay, ito po tayo folks. Good evening po sa po lahat. Good evening po sa po lahat. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball Team. Ito na. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Tagyam and Gakad. Mr. Tagyam and Gakad and Company. Ito na. Chambol. Teka lang. Hop! Teka lang. Easy lang. Sorry. Okay, isa pa. Okay, rejumble muli, rejumble. Di pa handa kasi yung committee table eh. Okay, first quarter action. Tagyam and Gakad si Jambol. Tagyam. Nakuha. Now na Kalilong and magtubon Manuel to Kalilong, oh boss, idol. And to Abdul Nadera Jr. Gong. Wala, ayun si Kalilong. And it's outside. Same ball. Touch last ni Manny Telerico. Gakad for 3. Wala. Sumobra. Amparo. Hindi na charge. Amparo. To Tagyam. Wala. One more time to Amparo. Outside. Balik mo ulit sa bola ko sa Oryx Basketball Team. Violet ball po tayo. Violet ball. Eto na po tayo yun. Si Mr. Harry Rather. Kalilong. And touch last by Von Manuel. Balik kumuli sa puting bola. Balik mo muli po sa putyang bola this time around. Si number 7, may tangan ng bola. Si Amparo. Almost on the way. Pops up, palpal. Nice deep. Nakuha naman. Nahabol. Balik ulit. Jones. Tagyam. Telerico. Amparo, pops up. Pasok ang bola. First shot ng Amparo, pumasok si Azari na tayo ng bola. Azari. And Tunadera, Kalilong, no. One more time, Tunadera, to Bon Manuel. Nice one by Bon Manuel. Tabla. Amparo again. Amparo, may tayo ng bola. Amparo against Tunadera. Azari. Tagyam. Power move ni Tagyam. Oh, traveling violation. Balik muli po sa bola po. Sa Oryx basketball po ng bola. 2-all pa rin po score po natin yun. Pasensya na po. Medyo po tayo nilit yun. Dahil merong konting technical difficulty lang po. And also, yung sinadun po namin gumagamit dito, medyo nahuli rin po. Nadera, Azari sa ilalim, 2 points Azari. 2 points Azari. Amparo. Amparo. Raimundo. Sa ilalim, nice one. Tinutwang ka. Salas, 2 points. 4 all. Azari again, ito na bola. Azari. Nadera, traveling variation kay Kuya Nadera. Amparo again, Amparo driving against Azari. Kick pass to Raimundo against Bon. Kick pass to Choro. And same ball. Last touch ni Bon Manuel. Amparo for the inbound. Yes, si Amparo for 3. No. Amparo nakuha mo na. Amparo yung okay, change na po na puntahan yun. This time naman, ang kapsat naman ang nasa unahan. Okay, Gakad, may tangan ng bola. Gakad. Tadera. Azari, okay, sayang. Nice try, Azari. 2.2 shots given para Azari. Courtesy of HB Kicks. From Jordan to the Bronze, HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. First shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo yun. Yan po, uli po, HB Kicks po yun ha. Pag-order po, just order. Wait for details. HB Kicks. Tabla muli po tayo. 6 po. Tablados 6 tayo. 6 minutes, 14 seconds remaining. And that's lost by Amparo. Balik mo sa violet ang bola. Violet ball muli po tayo. Violet ball. Atakakin niya yung ating Azari. Driving. No. Sayang. Telerico. Nakuha yung bola. Telerico driving. Nice shot. Steal. Azari. No. One more time. Nakuha ni Sales. Nakuha ni Kakat. Steal, counter steal to Azari. 2 points. Azari 2 points. 5 minutes 23 seconds remaining. Magpapalit tao na po tayo. At 5 minutes. Tagyam looking for pick. Okay, stop. Tagyam still. And it's a foul called. Take 2. This free throw is brought to you by Kapeng Balako by Lombard. Kay inaantok, inumin lang ito. Kay magising. Kapeng Balako by Lombard. And change favor na po tayo. 2 shots given para kay Tagyam. Again po this free is brought to you by Lombard, Kapeng Balako. by Lombar. Yan ha. Bakay na antok. Inumin lang ito. Yan po. Walang yung antok. Bravo by Lombar. Second set of people coming out. This time around, si Scott and Company. Along with Tatay Nadera. Father Nadera also. Nandiyan na rin. And both shots made. Pasok pa rin. Okay, 8-7. Romel. Ayun, kay Naku, strip away. Ramos. Nadera. Binabantayan. Antonio. Quinto. Power move. Stolen away. Romel. Kinaliwa, kinanam, pasok ang bola. Romel De Leon, 2 points. Ma'am niya po ha. Spencer versus Janice Gumi. Ang unang laglagan portion natin to. Halagang laro po ito. Nakuha ng pick. Antonio, wraparound play. Wala. Ayun, nakuha ni Ramos. Nakuha ni Scott. Nakuha naman, counter steal. Quinto, side step move. Nope. Again, nakuha ni Ramos. Scott. Baseball pass kay Nadera. Nadera, bordering, malakas. Johnny. Nope. Romel for 3. Tapos. Okay, nakuha. Antonio. And one play sana. Maceda shooting for 2. And this shot is brought to by, of course, Lombar. Loming Barako. Available po yun sa Beating Road and also sa Barrow Village in Doha. Yan kamosong kanilang Barako style na loming ng pampamilya. Lombar. Barako. Lombar. Okay, basket made take 8. Laman pa rin po ng dalawa po ang Oryx team. Scott may tanga ng bola. Scott driving. Nice po kay Johnny sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. Quinto for 3. No. Johnny and touch by Ramos. Balik muli sa pitong bola. Fresh court na second shot na again. Given to Kabsat. Naku! Maceda! No! Nakuha na Ramos sa bola. Scott! Nadera! Scott! Scott! Tapos! Maceda. Antonio. Malakas. Nakuha again ni Ramos. And now to De Leon. Scott. To Nadera for boarding. Wala. Maceda. Palpal. Wow. Who's pa rep? Okay. Number 17, Ramos called for the foul. This free is brought by, of course, Aquabats Qatar. It's available for all kinds of shape and sizes and colors also. Aquabats Qatar, good for cold and hot drinks. Care of Aquabats Qatar. Yan ang mga thermal jugs po na uso nyo. Maceda second period. Yes, again, 12-10 pa rin pong score po natin ngayon. At 2 minutes 30 seconds remaining of the first quarter. Scott setting the pace. Nako ng pick. Kung Melvin, kung Johnny Panawag. Sa ilalim to Scott and... Ouch. Quinto, nilabas muna sa kanilang no, walang pinakyan. Nice pass sana kay Quinto, pasok ang bola. Nice pass. ng kanilang import. Pero lang si Scott. Scott driving. And it's a foul call sa baba.
Ball number 29, Lucky Foul.
Sa foul call sa baba po yan. Sa foul call sa baba. And Scott now will receive the inbound. No? Okay, Scott receiving the inbound. Setting the pace. Nakuha ni Quinto bola. Quinto kay Scott. And it's gone. Tabla. Hindi lang tabla. Laman na sila. Ramos. Nadera. Kay Scott. Romel, nakalusot. Nice one! Ako, lumabas. Nice one by Johnny. Johnny Banawa. Binali pa in. And this extra free throw will be brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising.
In the class 40.
Uy.
One shot by
Bin.
Banawa.
Sige. Okay, basket made. 15-14. Laman na isa. Quinto for 3. Nope. Driving in. Maceda. Nope. Nakuha ni Quinto. And it's a foul. End of play also. Of course, this video will be brought to you by PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Diyan lang po yung every Friday po sa Arab School number 1 in Al Sadd in Doha. PLBL Basketball League. Okay, corner shot made, rebound, papsa, pasok. 15-18. Oh! Bad situation. Melvin shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by Trident's Barbershop. The 100% Filipino-owned barbershop here in Qatar. Diyan po yun in 3 branches po. One in Medina Khalifa North, one in Medina Khalifa in Mansoura area, and also one in Al Sadd area. Ayan. One in Al Sadd and one in Mansoura. Ni Jones Barber. Okay, mag-set up 15-18 ang score po natin ngayon. And it's 3-second violation. Committed. 12 seconds remaining. Scott, to Ramos, to Scott. Scott, nagmamadali. Scott. Ramos, sayang. Take 2. And this free throw is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement Basketball. Yan ha, basketball drills and many more. Sagot po yan ng Coach Mike Movement. Master the moves in basketball po ng Coach Mike Movement. Master the game itself. Take care of Coach Mike Movement. Ayan. Ramos, second throw. Pasok. 16-15. 6 seconds remaining. Antonio. Tumbaseda. Malakas. Quinto, pasok ang bola. Nice one. Last shot ni Kamsat. Pumasok. Again, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams you want to join our league, just visit the page for details. As of now, there's still 2 slots available po para po sa Class D Intermediate Division po namin. Again, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. We're always live here right now sa the Perning Season National School in Doha, in Mansoura from 10 p.m. onwards. And also, you can watch it simulcast po sa FB page po ng PSBQ Basketball League. Standby po tayo para second quarter action. And mamaya po ha, paalala lang po ha, maglalaro po mamaya ang Rising Knights versus Challenge Gumito for the first quarterfinals action ha, sa ligang ito. Laglagang force na po po yung mga laglagang force na po mamaya ha. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, second quarter action. Second quarter action. Okay, second quarter action. Si Raymundo for the inbound. Tatanggap si Amparo. Nandiyan si Baroka sa loob. Nagyan ako ng kick. Panson. Malakas. Pero pasok pa rin niya. Nagyan 2 points. Baroka. Gakan. Driving. Manson for the drive. Pops up. Kapos. Gakan for the rebound. Gakan nagmamadali. Tumama sa paligaka. Balik pumunipot sa kabsat ang bola. Okay, balik ulit. Amparo. Telerico. Amparo. Tagyam. Dinusela malakas. Tagyam for the tip. No. One more time. Tagyam. Palpal. Okay, same ball. Nice D. Telerico. Amparo pops up for 2. No. Gakat. Naka-rebound. Bon. Wala. Rebound, Bon Manuel. Gakat. Soliano for 3. Kapos. Face for piece kay Amparo. Nakuha ni Baroka ang bola. Manuel driving. Dito sa ilalim. Naku, sayang. Anak na maganda. Foul, Baroka. Okay, time out of call by Kabsat. The score is 16-22. Lamang pa rin po ng 4 ang Kabsat over Oryx. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Any team po na want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. This is your PSBQ Basketball League and we're live always from Tuesday night from 10 p.m. onwards, and simulcast po ito sa aming FB page po to our live streaming coverages po. Maraming salamat po and back to the ball game po tayo. Back again. Raymundo for the inbound. Pinapasa ang bola kay Amparo. Nice one. Amparo, pops up, nope. Nandiyan si Raymundo. Amparo again. Tagyam, against ang Gakat. Naku ng pick. Against ako. Tagyam, nope. Take 2. Tagyam shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar po tayo, love pa rin natin to. McDonald's Qatar. Yan ha. McDonald's Qatar po yan. First shot ni Tagyam. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready.
Second throw by Tagyam.
Wala. Ayan si Gakat. Lamang ng 5. Baroka. Baroka driving. Naku ng pick. Pops up. Inline. Naku ni Gakad. Palpal. Palpal. Bon Manuel. Bon Manuel. And one play. Extra feature award ng Paragaban Wala, courtesy of course, Maharlika Cuisine. Yan ha. Maharlika Cuisine po yan. Ito po ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado. Maharlika Cuisine. The best tasting pastel in town in Doha. Courtesy of Maharlika Cuisine. Diyan po yung available kami po sa John Station area in Alsad. Robot nakuha ni number 12. Again, si Amparo naman. Amparo by Soriano. Nakuha ng pick. Driving! Sales! Nice shot kay Sales! Sales, parang Lebron James ang drive ba? Okay, to Limbaga again, Baroka, to Manzon, driving, Baroka, nilabas muna, and to Bon Manuel, Gakad, Soriano, and one play sana, pero tres. Not tres. Not tres. 6 minutes, 29 seconds remaining sa ating first 22nd quarter action. Amparo. Pops up, no. Bon Manuel. 18-25, laman po ng 7. Still completed. Offensive foul si Bon Manuel. Sila kasaan ng player. 6 minutes, 10 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. Okay. Orex still trailing back by 7 points to Raimundo. Nako ni Broca. And good ball. Good ball nga. Pops up. Kapos. Bon Manuel. To Gakad. 2 points, Gakad. Lamang na 5. Tagyam. Pops up for 3. Nope. Ayun si Gakad. Gakad. Nakuha. Nakuni. Parang bola. Sales, sa ilalim, malakas. Ay, sa para sa ilalim. Pasok. Nice training bench job ng Paro. Kaya 7 pa rin lamang. Baroka. 2 points Baroka. Okay, change player po tayo. Change player na tayo. This time around, si Scott Nadera and Scott Nadera, Banawag, Ramos, and Nazari. Sama na natin sa Kalilong. Against Quinto and Company, kay Quinto and Antonio and Company, along with their import also. Antonio again. Maceda. Up. Father Daral is a foul called by Azari. Foul called by Azari. Antonio, pumunta muna sa safe ground. Okay, to Sabuero. Quinto, driving. Quinto. Pasok ang bola. Quinto, pasok muna ang bola kay Quinto. To Scott for 3. Bang! Si Din! $25-29 naman po ng 4 ang Kabsat. Meaning kapatid sa Ilocano. Nako ni Maceda. Labas na ang bola. Balik kumuli po sa Violet ang bola. And to Scott. Tumama sa ibang lahi. Hindi ko alam pangalan nun. Tumama sa player. Pop sa for 2. Nope. Scott. Walang pinasahan. Balik pa rin po sa bahay ng bola. Kalilong. Kalilong po. Kalilong to Azari. Kalilong for 3. Nope. And still completed. And Antonio. 2 points. Okay, shoutout po kay Mr. Santa Ana. Sir, second quarter na po, sir. Mga dandan po tayo. Scott again for 3. Bang! 28-31. Lamang pa rin po ng tatlo ang Kabsat. Shoutout po sa Mr. Santa Ana. And good evening po, sir. Mga dandan po tayo. Second quarter na po tayo. Second quarter na. 3 minutes 27 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. Quinto to Antonio, thinking 3. Nope. Pinasa muna kayo sa kanilang matangkad. Nako ni Maceda. Traffic po. Scott. Big pass kay Zari. 2 points. 2 points kay Zari. Quinto again still had the ball. Quinto, may tangan ng bola. Ay si Antonio versus sa Kalilong. Antonio to Kalilong. And it's a foul call. The Scott Poker. Ano nga rin? Oo nga eh. Hindi naglobat pala tayo. Quinto! Pasok ang bola kay Quinto! Pasok ang bola kay Quinto. Azari. Oh, stolen the ball! Again, Antonio. Almost stolen the ball. Antonio again sa Kalilong. Oh, yung pass daw, ilanganin daw. Sa Buera. Antonio for 3, nope. Pops up, nope. Ayun si Quinto, 2 points, Quinto. Azari. 29-35, a 6-point lead again. Johnny. Foul by Quinto. It's a foul called on Quinto at 1 minute 15 seconds remaining of the first second quarter action sa between Kabsat and Oryx. Azari receiving the ball. Scott again for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Quinto. Sa Buera. Maceda. Against Ramos. Maceda. Nakuha ni Banawag. Azari. 2 points Azari. 31-35. Apat. Maceda. Stolen away. Stripped away the ball. Azari again. Malakas. It's a foul called. Tek, may tape pa tayo, Tek. May tape tayo. Paying tape pa. Mami, i-repair ko yung cushion. Unsip tayo. May unsip pa. I-repair natin cushion. Ha? Okay, 2 shots po. Kay Mr. Quinto. Courtesy of course, Jalas Cometeo. Available 2 flavors po yan. Team Spicy. Team Original. Jalas Cometeo. Mamili po kayo. Ito ay Jalas Cometeo. Again, ulit po natin po. It's available 2 flavors po. Team Spicy or Team Original flavors. Mamili po kayo. Ito ay Jalas Cometeo. Quinto, no. Ramos. Nakakuha na Scott ang bola. Scott, 2-on-1. Scott, malakas ang bola. 31-30 super score at 1 minute remaining. This free throw is brought to you by MC Cargo. Ang iyong padala ay sa amin ay laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Coming up, Jed. Half time. First shot ni Scott. Wala! Second shot ni Scott. Jumpers ready. 31-36 ang score po natin at 1 minute remaining second quarter action. Second throw. Pasok. 32-36. Lamang po ng apat. Quinto may tangan ng bola. Quinto against Azari. Antonio against Ramos. Sabiano, nako ni Kalilong. Nako ni Azari. Azari, nope. Oh, traveling violation. Balik po muli po tayo, 20 seconds remaining. Kalilong for the inbound. Kabila dito. Amigal. Kalilong for the inbound. Sige po. Inbound for Kalilong. Azari, jumping, Escato, Azari! And one play! Azari shooting for the bonus free throw. Courtesy of Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada. Uniforms of all kinds of shape, colors, and sizes, and sports also. Ando po yan ng Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada. Antonio, isa na lang po, lamang po ng Kabsat. Antonio. Quinto against Scott. Nakawala. Good ball. And same ball. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 6 seconds remaining. Antonio for 3. No. Scott. 1 second. No more. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po tayo for after some time. And also again po, any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. And we're still looking for 2 more teams sa aming Class D Intermediate Division. Kung gusto po mag-join po dito, puntahan nyo na po ang aming FB page po for details. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Halftime po tayo, halftime. Lapit lang eh. Okay, third quarter na po tayo nga mga kabayan. Ito ang PSBG Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Standby po tayo for the third quarter action. Pimuyo ko. Okay, third quarter action. Change court na po tayo. Again, Von and Company versus Quinto and Company tayo. Idol. Yes, maglaro. Okay. Game. Again, ayan, nandyan rin po si Melvin, si Manzon, nandyan din, pati si Romel versus Amparo, Tagyam, Quinto and Company. Tayo, third quarter action tayo. Third quarter action. Manzon. Agakad to Melvin Longju. Pasok ang bola. Yan ang kinakailangan natin. Sabi nila. Again. Amparo. Amparo again. From Raimundo. No. Okay, now Gakad. Gakad nagdadala ng bola. Manzon for 3. No. He's driving. Nakuha niya ang bola. Matakat. Ngayon ang Amparo. Side step po. Pasok ang bola. Side step move. 39-7-38. Gakat to Manzon for 3. No. Tagyam. And it's a foul by Gakat. Masyadong malaki. Masyadong malaki ang galamay. Hindi kaya. Okay, ito Amparo again. Amparo against to Quinto. 37-38. And lost the ball. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Again, Sales. Sales and one play pa. Binigay ni Sales. This free throw is brought by ANC Kitchen. Quality pampaganas yung hapag kayo na. Nagpupo yung ANC Kitchen. Chili garlic oil. Order, just visit every page for detail. Sales, lost the ball almost to Quinto. Sandalim! It's a foul by Von. Take 2. 2 shots awarded. Von Manuel for foul, and this film is also brought to you by JPXTV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Apparel po yan, and also basketball drills. Handog po yan ng JPXTV. Shoutout sa asawa sa Buwana 69 from Boscat Oman. Okay, yung sabi po nila. Quinto, no. Nakuha ni Manzon ang bola. Manzon, Gakad. Gakad. Metana bola. Gakad driving. Melvin, 2 points, Melvin. Wala. Yan ang kinakailangan natin. Kanina pa. Sabi nila, hindi ako yun, sabi nila. Quinto, driving at side step boom, naipit ang konti. Ayun, Terimundo 2. Amparo for 3, nope, nako ni Von Manuel ang bola. To Gakad. And to Manzon for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Chongson ang tagdan ng bola. Quinto, Amparo, pwede yung shot. Tapos, Naco ni Sales, palpal ng konti. One more time, Quinto, wala pa rin. Baseball pass kay Melvin. Melvin! 2 points, Melvin. Okay, Nadera, binigay na kalamangan muli sa Oryx. Lamang muli po ng isang Oryx. Amparo. And to Quinto. To Amparo again. To Raimundo. Lumusok kay Sales. Fadeaway shot. Pasok. Two shot si Sales. Balik muli po sa kalamangan ang Kapsat. Gapad. Hanson. To Romel. Gapad again. Driving sa ilalim. Pasok muna. Dinukot. Digakad. Parang mekaniko. Tumutuko sa ilalim. And Amparo. Turn around shot. Ipit ang bagyak. Wala. Si Sales. Nakuha yung Melvin ng bola. Melvin to Manson. Manson. 2 points Manson. Hindi na pinasa. Dinretso na lang. So Quinto. Quinto driving to Amparo. Amparo for 3. No. Melvin. Romel. Oy! Ginashoot. Palpal. Foul. It's a foul called on Quinto. Time out called by Kapsat. Ito po ang PSPQ Basketball League. Again, any teams who want to join our league, just visit the page for details. And still open pa rin po ang aming Class C Division, Intermediate Division po yan. 2 more slots po remaining po. Maraming salamat po and back to the ball game. Oh, shoutout. Shoutout. Rising Knights Nation. Thank you. Okay, balik tayo. Okay, si Scott reporting in also ready. Scott Gonzalez. Zone for 3. No. Okay, touch Sales. Touch last si Sales. Ang bola. Scott. Ramos. Okay, balik muli sa puti ang bola. Touch na si Ramos. Tagyam, wait! Palpal. Para sabi ng referee, inabutan yung kamay. 2 shots awarded. Ito pa handog po ng Winnax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winnax Apparel. Tagyam. Pasok. Second throw ni Tagyam. Jumpers ready. Tagyam, second free throw. Jumpers ready po. Pasok pareho. Substitution na po tayo ngayon. Si Panawa papasok rin. Maseda pumasok pa rin para kay Sales. And again. No. Gipan di Ramos. Ramos. 2 points Ramos. Foul. It's a foul called.
Ball number
0-0. Azari called for the foul.
Azari. Penalty.
Penalty situation, Oryx team. This free throw is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement. Master the moves of the game of basketball, kaya Coach Mike Movement. Any details po sa kanyang training program po, just visit the page for details. Coach Mike Movement. Master your moves. Tagyam, second throw. 46-47. Saan lang po kalamangan? Azari nakalusot. Tumansot for 3. Over the back. Pow! Tagyam. Tandaan po natin po, pag di po tumatama po sa baka sa likod po, live pa rin po ang bola. Hindi po walang violation po yun.
Second rebound.
Okay.
Ramos.
Antonio. Dongson. Hey, Tagyam. Tagyam driving.
Second personal foul.
Again, this video is brought to you by Trijon's Barber Shop. Yan po, Trijon's Barber Shop po yan, ha. Tagyam. Pasok. Deadlock tayo at 47 all. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Gakad, nasa linya na. Pasok pareho. Lamang na naman ang kabsat ng isa. Nilabas mo na si Manzon. Azari to Gakad. Gakad to Azari. Scott. Nakalusot ni Scott. It's a foul, Ben Antonio. 13 pal pa lang. 13 pal pa lang. Sabi ko ng community. Okay, Gakad to Banawa. Gumusot. 2 points Banawa. 49-48. Balik na naman sa isang kalamangan ng Oryx. Nakuha ni Maceda. Maceda palpal. Nakuha ni Sampiano. 2 points. Foul! Foul number 25.
Running for penalty. Kapsat. 25. Running for penalty.
Ha? Azari. 2 points Azari. 25 back for personal foul, ha? Ito po si Antonio, may tangan ng bola. Si Quinto, kumuha ng bola kay Antonio. Tagyam against Gakad. Tagyam sa ilalim, pasok ang bola. Ramos. To Gakad. Azari. Gakad. Nawala ang bola. 2 points Quinto. Lamang na tatlo naman ang kabsat. 3 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter action. Yeah. Scott, may tayong bola. Scott. 2 points Scott. Okay, laman na isa. Basic basketball made by Scott. Okay, sige po. Ito si Antonio. Bintangan ng bola. Nakawala ng konti. Nakuha ni Maceda. Wala. One more time. Ayun kay Sabiano. Pasok ang bola kay Sabiano. Let's cut again. Second ball. Okay, Quinto. Lakas muna ang paro nila. Nalaban muna si Maceda. Ang paro pumasok muna. Gakad, Escat. Again, 5 na naman ang kalamangan ng Kabsat. Banawag. Driving, close the ball. Gakad, shoot. Ramos, move. Amparo, pasok ang bola. Lima. Lamang na 5. 1 minute remaining. Third quarter action. Patapos na. Antonio. Nakawala. Amparo. Nakalusok kay Azari. Paso ng 2. Wala. And ako ni Banawag. Azari. 2 points Azari. Again, 3 kalamangan na pumuli ng Kabsat. So, Tagyam versus Gakad. Dako ng pick. Tagyam, palpal. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 7:60. Penalty situation. Penalty situation po tayo mga kababayan. Escat shooting for 2. Andun po ito na, of course, PLBL. Ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Doha. Every Friday po yan sa Arab School number 1 in Al-Sad area in Doha. Ito ang PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga namang alamat dito sa Doha. Escat, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Escat. Wala, nako ni same ball. Tagyam, Antonio. Palpal. Hey! 58-60 ang score po natin. Standby po tayo sa fourth quarter action. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams who want to join our league, just visit every page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Basketball po tayo at the moment. And standby po tayo para sa ating fourth quarter action. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, basketball po tayo, final pressure. tangan ng bola. Quinto to Tenerico. Pops up. Wala. Nakuha sa bola. Johnny. Wala. Sales. Wala. It's number 3. No. Super Sales. Foul, Tenerico for the foul. This shot is brought by, of course, Kapeng Barako by Lombard. Natok pa tayo dyan. Kapeng Barako lang kasagutin yan. Nandun yan pa ng Lombard. Loming Barako. Ito pa Kapeng Barako ng Loming Barako. Okay, Johnny Balawag shooting for 2. Kapeng Barako by Lombard. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. And it's pasok pareho. Quinto. Almost stole the ball. Sales for 3. Nice one by Kalila. Foul by Quinto. 8 minutes, 44 seconds remaining. Sabi nito, may kakambal pala yung Jimmy dumating dito. Sabi ng Kalipere, sorry pa, pasyapat naman po. Okay, naka 3 points po si Scott. 63-64. Tagyam, may tangan ng bola against sa Songson. Against sa Bioni. Quinto naman. Pasok din! Manzon. Ilalit palabas. Sales for the rebound. Quinto. Tenerico pops up. Palpal. Hey, it's a foul. Take two. This free throw is brought by Lumba Restaurant. Diyan po yun sa Biring Road. And also in Barrow Village in Doha. Lumba Restaurant. Avail po yan yung kanilang pamosong barako. Size na loming barako. Yan. Tenerico per shot. Pasok. Lamang na 5. Second throw. Wala. Dalawa sila. Scott. Naka-rebound. Scott. Nagmamadali. Johnny. Dahil ito kamote. Manzon for 3. No comment. 650, 68. Quinto. Pops up. No. Nakilimutong bola. Telerico. Ayun kay Sales. Tapos. Wow! Okay, Banawag shooting will do again. Courtesy of course, Aquapas Qatar. Yan po yun ha. Yan po yung thermal jug po. Thermal bottle po. Hindi binibenta po dito. Aquapas Qatar. Just visit every page for details. Available in all kinds of sizes and shapes and volume po. Aquapas Qatar po. Second throw. May Johnny Banawag. Jumpers ready. Pasok. Tatlo. Lamang ng tatlo ang, alam mo na, ang kapsat. Tagyam. 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 Pops number 3. Wala. Manson. Nakuha na yung Tagyam. Tagyam. Quinto. Binalit ng Tagyam. Wala pa rin. Binalit mo rin. Tagyam. Wala pa rin. This free throws brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Banawag, first throw ni Banawag, wala. Second throw ni Banawag, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw ni Banawag, jumpers ready, and it's wala pareho. Quinto. Quinto. Raymundo, malakas ang pasa. Quinto, driving, floater. Nope, ayan, nakuha ni Halilong. Peskat naman. Peskat. Tagyam. Tagyam court for a foul. Again, ito ba ito po ng PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa, ang liga naman alamat dito sa Doha. PLBL Basketball League po yan. Escat, first throw, pasok. 66-68, second throw ni Scott. Jumpers ready.
Second throw by Scott.
Scott, jumpers ready. It's pasok. Isa. 67-68. At 6 minutes, 8 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter action. Antonio. Tagyam. Binabantayan. Tagyam. Nakalusog. And it's a foul sa baba. Holding foul. Juan Manuel called for the foul. Okay, nagpalit na po. Oryx team. Bon Manuel, tinawagan po ng foul. Antonio, pumasok silang bola. Tagyam. Tagyam again. Side step move. Running hook shot. Banawag. 2 points again. Okay, bagong shot si Tagyam. Running hook shot. Antonio to Tagyam. Tagyam. Tagyam driving. Tagyam. Pinasa. Palpal. Scott called for the foul. Si Sales calling for the free throw. Again, ito po ang joint distributed by Trigan's Barbershop. Yan po yan ha. Trigan's Barbershop po yan. Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Kay Sales. Ano? It's a boy, blue or pink? It's a boy. It's a boy. Sales, no. Nakuha ni Ramos, nakuha ni Scott. Big basketball. Nawala ang bola. Hop! Di kasama si Mangkat doon. Bon Manuel, labas muna si Bon Manuel para kay Zari. Tatlo pa lang yan. 4 minutes 31 seconds remaining. 2 shot po. Azari kay Scott. Pops up. Bang! Tabla! Scott nakatabla. Hop, hop, hop. Backing violation. Backing violation, sabi ng referee. Backing violation, sabi ng referee. Sabi ni referee Hans, it's a backing violation. Kaya balik muli po sa Oryx ang bola. It's a backing violation. Gakat. Starting again for 3. Bang! Go! Maparo na walang bola. Iskat na naman. Iskat na naman. Wala. Johnny! Top goal ni Johnny! Pinasok! Okay, nagtahan mo ito po si Quinto, yung kanyang grupo. Bunga na ako ng hindi sa wakas ng Oryx. This was supportive of course. Coach Mike Movement, Winax Apparel, JPX TV, ANC Kitchen, Tato Sublimation, MC Cargo, and Janice Gumitiyo, MC Cuisine, and McDonald's Qatar. Ito po ang yung PSBQ Basketball League.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds. The lead is score 17-77. By John Speed for Oryx Speed. Back to the middle.
Kapsat ball po tayo at 3 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Lamang po na ngayon ng 5 ang Oryx. Antonio Chongson Tagyam Maceda foul. Okay, Hazari called for a foul. Dilaw yung piping. Okay, Azari Maceda again Antonio. Antonio Azari. And it's Badr Sales 2 points. Gakat. Terus muna. Scott. Boy! Offensive foul!
Offensive foul, number 7-0.
Number 0 for offensive foul. Azari. Third personal foul call on Azari. 2 minutes 50 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter action. Johnson for 3. Agyam for 3 rather. Penalty situation. Balik po tayo muli. Ito po muli po ha. This is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. Love natin to. Kahit nasa Qatar, love pa rin natin to. Sales for 2. 79-77. Sales. First shot ni Sales. Wala. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready by Sales. Sales, pasok. Okay, 79-17. 2 minutes, 4 seconds remaining. Last 2 minutes. Pops up. No. Good ball. What a block by Ramos. Block by Ramos. Okay, dinabas muna si Antonio. Pasok muna muli si Amparo. Kapagpahinga na. Quinto, Amparo. Hinapos si Tagyam. Offensive foul by Tagyam. Moving pick. Committed. Tagyam, third personal po ni Tagyam po yan. 79-78. Oryx team holding for in a precarious 1-point lead. Gakad, Escat ako ng pick kay Ramos. Escat driving. Oh, same ball. Mina magic. Minimekus. Azari to Ramos. Panawag, pasok bola. Ipatalaga pa si Panawag. Pops up. No. Tagyam. Wala. Nako na sa bola. 44 seconds remaining. 3-point lead. 39 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Moving pick. Woo! Ayan. Umuli ng time. Ayan. Ramos, 4 personal fouls, warning for Kabsat called for his last time out. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga naman sikat din sa Qatar. We're always live sa ating home po din sa Pearly Season Council in Doha. And also, this is also simulcast also in our Facebook page. And also, anything you want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Back to the ballgame po tayo. Game reset, 28 seconds remaining on shot clock, 81 to 78. Both teams are in penalty. Amparo will shoot. Amparo will go for the 14-second shot clock. Amparo. Antonio against Johnny. Amparo against Manzon. Kick. Sales. No. Nakwani. Stick away. It's not. Panawag. Foul. Penalty situation. Johnny, he shoot for 2. Ito handog po ng Giannis Gumetio. Number of 2 players po, Team Spicy, Team Original, Giannis Gumetio. Mamili po kayo. Ito yung Giannis Gumetio. Okay, that's it. Set 8 to 7-8. 12 seconds remaining. Johnny Banawag, last shot.
5
points needed. Quinto. Foul! Scott. Scott called for a foul. Grabe. Yung Cristobal. Bakit? Quinto, first shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. I think they will go for a 12. Nope, nakuha ni Quinto. Amparo for three. Nope. And that's it. Congratulations for winning the game. 2-0 na po tayo ang Oryx basketball team. And also kudos Maraming salamat po and God bless you. Okay, ito po ating best patingin po si Mr. Johnny Banawag. Sir, struggling kayo for the first 3 quarters ha?
Oo.
Ano ba nangyari? Mukhang huli nyo na ako yung rhythm nyo.
Nagkakapaan pa kami. First time nagkakasama.
Talaga ano? Pero paano nyo nakuha yung huling yung huling 5 minutes nyo?
Sa Fort Garden?
Oo.
Parang 2 games na kasi namin to kaya medyo gamay na yung isa. Tsaka sila reverse yung mga Fort Garden na camping off. Medyo dati pa kami magkakasama kaya.
Okay, sir. Okay, baka tayo manapas ha. Daligsin na. Shoutout naman sa mga friends mo, sa family members mo, sa loved ones mo. Sige, sir.
Shoutout sa mga tropa ko. Shoutout sa Room 205, Bin Mamon.
Yung crew mo.
Shoutout din sa ano.
Yung crew mo, di mo babatiin?
DK Squad, Qatar.
Okay. O, sige, ano pa maasahan namin sa Oryx basketball team?
Ha?
Ano maasahan pa namin sa mga following games ninyo?
What
to expect?
Wala pa.
Wala kang maasahan?
Depende na sa coach.
Coach niya. Sige po. Thank you po ha. 3, 2, 1. Yung ating rebounder of the game, si Mr. Ramos, yung kanilang roadman of the game. Sir, ano nangyari sir? Nuhuling nyo na nga yung rhythm ninyo. For the past 3 quarters sila nag-struggle kayo. Paano nyo nakuha yung last 5 minutes ninyo?
Naka-recover nung mga 3 points.
Ayun ang nagbigay ng
Yung nakahabol.
Nakahabol ha?
Yung depensa din. Inipitan namin yung depensa.
Okay. And what to expect pa sa following games ninyo? Yan, ng Oryx.
Pagbubutihan pa namin.
Sige po, maraming salamat sir. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan, tropa, barkada, loved ones. Yun na yun? Shoutout sa lahat lang. O sige, salamat po. Ito ba? Yan, thank you. 3, 2.